Every year, billions are spent on medical research, yet some claim life-changing treatments, especially natural remedies, are being suppressed. Allegations suggest the pharmaceutical industry prioritizes profit over patients. But is there truth to these claims, or are they rooted in misunderstanding? This documentary investigates with an open mind, guided by science and skepticism. To understand these claims, we must look to history. Medical progress has saved countless lives. Think insulin for diabetes or penicillin for infections. But there have been missteps. The 1960s thalidomide tragedy, where a drug caused birth defects, exposed gaps in regulation. Some critics point to historical examples like the Tuskegee syphilis study as evidence of systemic suppression or unethical practices. The global pharmaceutical industry is worth over $1.5 trillion annually. Developing a new drug can cost billions and take over a decade. Patents grant companies exclusive rights to profit, incentivizing innovation. But critics argue this system discourages research into remedies, which are harder to patent and less lucrative. Profit motives raise questions, but is suppression deliberate, or a byproduct of economics? To find out, we need to understand the science. Developing any treatment is complex. Clinical trials must prove safety and efficacy through rigorous peer-reviewed studies. Natural remedies like curcumin from turmeric or CBD from cannabis face unique hurdles. Their compounds vary in potency, and funding for non-patentable substances is limited. Behind the science are real people. We spoke with patients who turned to alternative treatments after conventional options failed them. Stories like these fuel the debate. Are patients finding overlooked solutions, or are they being misled by unproven claims? We dove into the research. Studies on natural remedies like vitamin C, artemisinin, or cannabis show promise for conditions like cancer or epilepsy. Critics claim that funding biases skew research toward patentable drugs. Pharma funds 60% of U.S. clinical trials, while natural remedy studies often rely on public or crowdfunding sources. Despite challenges, breakthroughs happen. Cannabis-derived treatments have gained traction, and compounds like artemisinin used in malaria treatment are being explored for cancer. Immunotherapy, which boosts the body's defenses, also draws from natural principles. Could these treatments reshape medicine? Or are we still years away? The debate raises ethical questions. If natural remedies show promise, should access be expedited? Or does bypassing rigorous testing risk harm? The 1980s AIDS crisis showed how patient advocacy can push for faster drug approvals, but it also underscored the need for safety. Ethics demand transparency, rigorous science, and patient-centered care. Claims of medical suppression are complex. Economic incentives, scientific rigor, and ethical dilemmas shape what treatments reach us. While some natural remedies show promise, robust evidence is crucial. This investigation leaves us with questions, not answers, but that's where progress begins. Share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more investigative documentaries.